What is up, you guys? It's your girl Larry B, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I will be getting a a rainbow ombre. But before we get into that video, I'm gonna talk about the hair real quick. You know, I gotta hurry up because my camera is dying, of course, and I have a lot to do. But anyway, this is Lavyhair, y'all. This is my first time trying the hair. Lavyhair 100% virgin hair. Their website is www.lavyhair.com. Okay, so first of all, I like the silk packaging. Like, I love getting baggies like this because I can always store my wigs in. And y'all, if I'm not mistaken, I believe I have over 20 wigs, y'all. I have over 20 wigs, probably even more. So a wig collection will be coming soon. So, okay, when you open your baggie, which I will save, you will get 2 wig caps, which I wish was nude, but hey, it doesn't matter. I'm still grateful. You will get a little brochure on how to wash the hair and all the information. And then you get your wig, y'all. This is a Brazilian virgin hair 20-inch 180% density frontal wig. And I told you guys I'm gonna be going up with my length, because I feel like all my wigs are the same length, y'all. It's either the shortest. What was the shortest? It's either like 12 to 18. The most is 18 and 16. I barely get 20s. Like, this is gonna be my first 20-inch wig, y'all. And this is gonna be the wig that I am doing the multicolor ombre on. And this is pre-plucked. Ooh, I'm jacked. Look at this pre-plucked, y'all. Oh, ooh, I'm jacking this. 180% density, y'all. This hair is thick. Cannot wait to install this. I don't know if you guys noticed, but y'all, lately, ever since, I don't want to put no companies out there, but I've been doing a different hair color, hairstyle every week. Once Saturday comes, y'all, I'm installing new hair. Like, every Saturday, I've been installing my hair, and I've been keeping it up. People be like, yo, what you, come on, I can't keep up with you. Chill, you're not supposed to. But, yes, this is the hair. It feels good. It's thick. I love the ends. They're cut. I definitely love how they pre-pluck this lace, y'all. I'm loving it. But, yes, this video is going to be about that. So I'm going to go ahead and set everything up. Before, all the information will be down below. Also, I have a code for you guys where you can get $10 off. It's going to be right here on the screen. It is ARIE. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I may be back at the end of this video. I'm not sure. So, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so yeah, I'm back now. And I had to protect my floor because my carpet looks so freaking horrible. All this orange bleach all over it. But anyways, I'm back. Okay, now, this is the wig down here. How did that zoom in like that? I wasn't even touching it. This is the wig right here, y'all. This wig is thick. It feels amazing. 20 inches. I freaking love the hairline, y'all. Let me bring this close to y'all. Do y'all see this hairline? Oh my god, this hairline was plucked so perfectly. But like I said, this is going to be an ombre look. So this is going to be a colorful ombre look. I have, oh shoot, I'm not going to use that. I have 2.5 packets of bleach, and I'm going to be going in with my 40 developer, yeah, I said it right, 40 developer. And I'm going to mix that up. I hope that's enough. If not, I'm going to stretch it to the point where, when I say stretch it, y'all, I make it watery, the bleach watery. So this is going to be an ombre, right? So of course I'm going to start from the back. I don't want it too far up. And I'm going to work my way down. Let me get a clip. I'm not going to be talking in this part. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I bleach it. So I'll see you guys at the end of this clip. so y'all, this is 2 days later because I have been busy with clients, and the night I bleached this hair, I didn't finish till like 1 in the morning because I left the bleach on for a very long time thinking it was gonna change or get brighter, but once again the hair just stayed this color. And y'all know what I wanted to do, and if I did what I wanted to do, the colors would not show up bright enough. I've just been stuck on what to do with the hair. Low-key, I love, this is Lavyhair, y'all. This is Lavyhair. I love, y'all. I love how the hair still has this wavy, well, it never had a wavy pattern to begin with. It was straight hair, right? It was straight hair, right, y'all? I don't remember. But I love how the hair has this wave to it, y'all. I can wear it like this. So that's why I'm second guessing on just like bleaching the hair again. I'm going with my first plan. Or should I just leave like this and rock this up? But y'all know I just did a wig this color, but that had the 2 stripes in the front. So I feel like it's not really the same. I don't know what I should do, y'all. I'm stuck. I don't know if I should like go lighter, go my first plan, or just leave it like this, y'all. I'm loving this right here, y'all. I'm really loving this. I think I'm gonna just stay with this. I don't know. This is so hard. I'm loving this. I don't know what I want to do because I feel like I just had a wig this color, and I hate repeating colors. If you know me, I hate, oh, sorry, I keep switching sides. If you know me, I honestly hate repeating, my hair looks crazy right now, y'all, but don't look at that. But if you know me, y'all guys know I hate repeating colors. So, and the hair feels good, y'all. This hair is, all I did was shampoo it, and that's it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in a little brighter. Or should I just throw a color on this? What color should I throw on this, y'all? This is not even bright enough to even, like, get color to it. This is so freaking hard, y'all. I don't know what to do. I ain't never been this stuck in life. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it. Maybe because I'm just lazy. I don't feel like... I think I'm just lazy. I don't feel like... This is why I hate getting 1B hair, y'all. Oh my god, I hate getting 1B hair because the bleaching process is just so much. It's so much to do. And like I said, when I bleached it, I only did 2 BW2 packets. I stretched it out OD, so I have like a little bit left and then another whole packet. And I don't know if it's gonna be enough, but I also have to bleach the knots. Like, what's going on? Well, I'm not installing this till Saturday, so I have time to get here. I have time to get more bleach. But y'all, I really don't know what to do. I'll be back. Alright, so y'all, I'm downstairs now. I went ahead and I bleached the hair again, and it did not get light at all. I'm aggravated because I don't know why it's not getting light. I clearly can't go with my original plan that I wanted to go with. So it looks like I'll just be doing the ombre. This blonde is not bright at all, y'all. And I bleached this twice with 40 volume developer, and I left it on for mad long. But I guess, whatever. So I'm about to just go ahead with this color I had upstairs. I did this on my natural hair. This part I will not be talking in. You guys know how I do the watercolor method. So, yeah.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so y'all, I'm not gonna really be in the camera because I haven't a sports bra. I just got out the shower, but while I was in the shower, I let the hair sit in conditioner, and this is how the hair looks. Let me take it off the wig head. This is how the hair looks. Can you guys see the green? You'll probably be able to see it better when it's dry. But like I said, y'all, this wasn't my original plan. So yes, I was aggravated in this video because I'm like, why isn't this hair changing? I've done this green before. My plan was to do the whole head, my plan for this green was to do a whole head, not just like an ombre. But I had to just go with plan B and throw anything on the hair because I did not want it to keep it blonde. Overall, the hair is still good, y'all. I bleached it twice and the hair still feels soft as ever. I barely had shedding, which I'm surprised because usually you get a lot of shedding, but I barely had shedding. I did not pluck the hair at all yet, y'all. Let me wait for it to focus. Is it gonna focus? So it's not gonna focus? That's what you're telling me? Oh, okay. So I did not pluck the hair at all yet, y'all. I did not pluck the hair yet at all, and the hairline already looks bomb. But I'm gonna leave the hair like this. I want it to dry with this crimp look. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 34K, y'all. 34K. Hold on, let me check right now. Cause I believe right now we're literally almost at like 33K. Yes, we're at 32,951. So on the road, I'm gonna say on the road to 34K because by the time this video is uploaded, no, it's not gonna be, but still on the road to 34K, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Also, all the hair information will be down below. Like I said, this is Lavyhair, y'all. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.